Hi there, my name is WCR_FFUR. Today I want to bring you about good footage on how to make a CGI quality rifle gun in Blender. Since the trailer was posted in both Bilibili and YouTube, so I separated it in Chinese and English. 大家好，我是 WCR_FFUR， 很高兴这次与 Blender CN 考高网合作推出了一部 CGI 冲锋枪全流程制作教程。由于宣传片主要在 B 站与 YouTube 双平台发布，所以采用双语制的宣传方式，感觉有些奇葩。当然，初次尝试也想看一下效果如何。课程的核心是硬表面细分建模布线原理讲解和全程式化材质流程。如果对 PBR 流程感到厌烦的伙伴，可以来试下新的方式。The essence of this tutorial mainly focuses on hard surface, subdivided topology, and procedural material workflow. I think it should be interesting for those who want to try something different despite PBR workflow. Subscribe me on 小红书 if you like it. Thanks.
La 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 la